Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to present you with a real legend. Well, probably is not a legend that has actually gathered the world fame in terms of love, but he is certainly a legend when it comes to riding skills. And he is probably on the very top, king of the MotoGP for sure, but also perhaps one of the greatest pilot of the whole times. So who am I talking about? Well, when we talk about skills on a motorcycle, probably there is only one, maximum two men that actually should spring to our mind. So other than Casey Stoner, of course, the other legend, the real legend, is Marc Marquez. So here we have it, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful design. It's a peculiar one in a sense that it's not his typical design. He has utilized it a couple of times and it's brand new. So not too sure, guys, if you have recognized it already, but basically this is the helmet where in 2016 he has celebrated his victory. So here we have the shut off button, and this is a helmet that utilized in the MotoGP races of Aragon Catalunya first and Aragon next. And this was a tribute, this is a tribute to his fans, but moreover this was a message to all his rivals, and at the time the main rivals were obviously Valentino Rossi, Jorge Lorenzo, and in 2016 basically he went all the way to win very early and close that championship very early after the infamous 2015. So in terms of the specs of this helmet, it's a NXR helmet, and it depends whether you're watching from the US or from the European market. The NXR is also called the 1200 and X Spirit series. So anyway, this is a top performing helmet. We can now see the shapes that all the plastics around the helmet are taking in order to make sure that the downforce is maximum for the high speed, for stability. And we can see that actually the brand of Red Bull was accompanying Marc Marquez. It's brand new, it's in size M, 57-58 centimeter, and this is very special Lotus helmet, very special graphics. And here we can also see the LS, Luis Salom, unfortunately on the track of Catalunya he lost his life, so this is a tribute to him. And here we can see in all his sparkling beauty the actually shut off button. So it's a very interesting one. Marc Marquez in 2015 went under huge pressure because of all the proceedings after the Sepang Grand Prix, all the collision with Valentino Rossi. So obviously 50% think that was Rossi's fault, 50% that was Marquez's fault. Nevertheless, Marquez is definitely the king of the MotoGP of the last basically 5 and probably mostly 10 years. So we will appreciate him again second half of this season, coming back from the injury, and he will be on top form and top shape as of next year for sure. And hopefully he's gonna give us more and more of these sensational saves and sensational races that he has given us all his career since the actually 125cc class and then Moto2 class. So I do hope, guys, that you have been enjoying this helmet, and thank you very much for watching. Give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.